We're gonna be making a teensy bit of ruckus. I just wanted to let you guys know so you don't get started, okay?
Remember we duct taped the bumper?
Yeah. It's not working, bro. Let's try this. Let me see if this works. Because we tried duct tape. Sure. That didn't work, Evan.
I got such a good idea!
How's that supposed to fix my car?
This wasn't meant to fix your car.
Emin, you said you got a good idea to fix my car, Emin.
I never said that.
You did say
I
that.
said I had a good idea.
Should I go underwater with this?
What the fuck?
It's still not fixed, bro.
I have the best solution that you can use.
Let me hear it.
I swear that could have fixed it. That right there was a mechanical approximation of a regional declaration of independence. It's where you put the economical construction and dedication of a restructuring.
Really? That's it?
You like and subscribe. You know. What's going on, choices? I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Let's get it, bro. What? Logan's thing is to smash some plates. Get that shit out of here. Bro, as you guys know, my content is lit, bro. It has to stay lit. You know what I'm saying? So right now, we're in the beautiful section of the plates. And we're just gonna grab a few of them, put them in here. We're gonna buy them. We're definitely gonna buy them. Oh, shit, bro, what the f? Oh, shit. Obviously, we can't just leave this like it is, so we're gonna clean it up. As you can see, we eat a lot of food, you know? Thanks, bro. Gee, bro. Okay. Can I get the rest of my plate, bro? Like and subscribe. Logan, who? Alright, my joysters. Right now we're in Home Depot. Yo, bro. What? We need a freaking sledgehammer, bro. Where's the sledgehammer? I got some assistant. Oh, no? Okay. No sledgehammer. Oh, you know where they are. I didn't ask that.
You didn't ask that.
I didn't ask that. Can I shake your hand?
Yeah.
My father taught me how to shake a hand.
Shall we go?
Paul, you are an absolute savage.
What is your name?
My name is Antonio Julio Ricardo Montoya Ricardo Ramirez. You could just call me Emin. Can you give me a dab?
I am the one, the way your son don't need the.
Sorry, we do YouTube content. We have to impress the fans. Do you have a son or daughter?
Yes, I do.
Do they watch YouTube?
Yeah.
They should definitely like and subscribe to the channel. Always plug, you know? Spread the joy, bro.
Spread the joy, bro.
Yo, bro, what the f?
Shaka peace.
Oh.
Shaka.
Shaka.
Peace.
Peace. We found the sledgehammer. Bro, I'm gonna hammer the audience tonight. You know? Bro, I'm gonna be honest right now. I'm surprised no one's looking at me like I'm psychotic, bro. Bro, there's a couple right behind the thing that I went behind. They both look at me. I'm like, as soon as I be quiet, I was like, ah. Sorry. We got the hammer. We got the plates. I mean, this isn't wasting time because we're recording, you know? I'm talking to my joysters, guys. How you doing? You over there in the back. Hey, how you doing, bro? How you doing? Shout out to like and subscribe.
Hey, what up, bitch?
Hi. Yeah, hi. I was just gonna say, we're gonna be making a teensy bit of ruckus on my side of the yard. I just wanted to let you guys know so you don't get started, okay? Awesome. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.
Why do you got a plate in your hand? Whoa.
Oh, what do you think I was gonna break the plate, dude? I don't copy Logan. Don't judge a book by its cover. That's not what we do here, bro. What the f?
Oh, no. Oh, no.
We gotta take these to the next level. I just realized we need protection. What the f?
I got you.
This is not the protection I was talking about.
You said protection, Emin.
This is how we do it with the joysters, bro. Make sure you like and subscribe, bro, because, like, what the f, bro? Yo, spread the joy, bro, you know? Because we're the joysters and we're taking over YouTube and stuff. That really hurt. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Yo, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. The joysters are powerful, bro. We're taking over YouTube. Just destroy that. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. I will see you on the next vlog.